Wow, que lo que, mi gente. It feels so good to be back. Happy New Year's. I know that you've noticed that I haven't been posting content or creating content in a while. The truth is, what a lot of people don't know about me is about 5 years ago, I was diagnosed with Graves' disease, which is an autoimmune disorder that causes hyperthyroidism. For me, it's been a roller coaster of challenges when it comes to my health. Just last July, I felt like I hit a huge wall. I started experiencing new symptoms, and it made me pull back from my business and reevaluate my priorities like my health, my family, and my systems, which have been pillars for me during these difficult times. With January being Thyroid Awareness Month, I really wanted to take my time to share my journey, my experiences, and you can read all about this on my blog, poisedlifestyle.com. But in this video specifically, I wanted to talk about the systems that have been proven time after time to me to be vital pillars when it comes to my financial and personal well being. It's like, hello, Sirenes. These systems are working for you. That's why I wanted to come back to share these game changers with you, to be a resource for you or anyone else that wants to make sure that they have systems in their lives that are holding them up, not just when times are good, but when they're not so good. Because I've been there before. So for the next 4 weeks, I'm going to be doing a mini series, which is going to include blogs, videos, Q&As on every single one of these pillars so that you can implement all of these game-changing strategies into your life the same way that I did. Starting off with the high five banking method, a simple way to manage and organize your finances with purpose. We're also going to talk about meal prepping to help you streamline your grocery and food budget. Next, we're going to talk about bulk buying, a great way to keep essentials stocked, to reduce stress, and avoid any unnecessary trips to the store. That's a big one right there. And last but not least, I'm going to share with you guys my secret sauce, which is my family all hands meeting. This is a powerful communication tool that I use in my marriage and in my household to make sure that we are on top of all of our necessities, especially our finances. If you are just as excited as I am to transform your finances and your lifestyle with these systems, then make sure that you hit the bell icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my blog to gain full access to this whole mini series. And please, if you have any questions or challenges that you want to talk about, leave a comment down below because we're going to be doing a Q&A session at the end of every single one of these game changers. And again, mi gente, please share this information with all of your friends and family so together we can make life a little easier, a little more organized, and a lot more fulfilling. Besos, mi gente.